So hello friends, welcome back with a new video. So in this video today we are preparing food custard. So let's follow the recipe with me. Oh, it's already preparing. I'm sorry guys. Now add custard powder. You can take 2 tablespoons of it and then mix it well in the milk. After adding custard powder, you will add then sugar. I forget to record it, but you will add, okay? Just take 3 or 4 spoons of sugar. It's up to your choice whether you like more sweet or not, but 2 or 3 is enough. So now it's time to take some fruits. To chop it, you can take any fruit, whatever you like, of your own choice. So I again add sugar to record it, but you can add it before, and I used crushed sugar, but you can take anything. So now it's ready. Now it's time to rest it in the fridge for a time, at least 2 or 3 hours. So it's ready. Let's check it. Wow, it looks so delicious, isn't it? It's time to serve it to your friends or family or to yourself also. So thank you friends for watching it till end.